Welcome back to Adnac Accent Coaching. I'm Alyson. I am your coach. Today is just a really quick video about dark L and light L sounds. Now, in North American English, we lead into vowel sounds with a light L sound. That's just the tongue pressing up against the alveolar ridge above the teeth and gently pushing off like this. Light, leave, love, leaf. Okay, this is the North American English L. I'm not going to give an example of the British English L, but it sounds different. Now the L that we land on, this is a dark L. So this is a tense L that is co-articulated in the front and back of the mouth. Simultaneously, you're going to be pressing your tongue tip against your alveolar ridge like with light L, but the back of your tongue will be tensed, making a constriction in your velum, leading to the sound like this. Feel. Real, steal. This dark L is syllabic, so it creates its own syllable. Do you feel the hinge when you pronounce this? Feel, real, steal. Now, dark L disappears when we add a little ending to that word. Let's say we have the word feelings. We've added a word ending ing, and now the L is shifting to be the coda on the first syllable, to be the onset of the next syllable, and it changes to a light L. So feel becomes feelings. Steal becomes stealing. Does that make sense? Why don't you send me any questions you have in the comments, and I will try to answer it in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.